Hello, today I'm showing you how to factory reset your Galaxy J3 Emerge. Now first you need to locate the power, volume up, and the home. Press all three at the same time. When the phone comes on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume up and the home button. Release when you see this picture. Now give it some time. It will enter factory mode. If you see this picture, it's okay. Just give it a little bit more time. When this come up, just look for the option. It says wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Select yes. Power button again. Now reboot system now. Now this is how you factory reset your Galaxy J3. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.